Hello, I'm Marlene, co-author of Great Scoops, Recipes from a Neighborhood Ice Cream Shop. The Mary Dairy started with one simple idea, to spread joy one cone at a time.
Hi, I'm Amelia, co-author of Great Scoops. There's this idea that ice cream is really hard to make, but between you and me, it's incredibly easy.
We wanted to share our ice cream beyond our shop, so we wrote a recipe book.
We have recipes for fancy soirees, birthday parties, and even late-night treats.
Everyone can enjoy a cone on the hottest summer day or one of the coldest winter days. We have recipes for all seasons and occasions.
We believe recipe books should have stained pages and cracked spines, but above all else, we think the recipes should be scrumptious and shared with those you love.